question I've been asking myself. Why do people wait till the last minute to do everything? Yeah, like why do people wait till the last minute to clean up their house, when somebody's coming over? Or why do people wait till the last minute to pay their bills? And why do people wait till the last minute to think about how they're gonna pay their students' college education? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you and give you 5 reasons to seriously consider going after scholarships and doing it early. Yeah, hello, I'm Kantis Simmons and welcome to the Kantis Simmons Show. Hey! 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 So here are 5 things that you want to consider. Why start early? Number 1, start early to find scholarships that match your profile. The benefit is there's expanded opportunities. When you apply early, when you start the process early, you have more opportunities. And so a lot of people wait till the last minute. And if I could just slap you on your hand, quit waiting till the last minute. Why? Because there are more opportunities. 100% of scholarships available out there, and you're waiting till the last minute, then guess what? That percentage has gone down where now you're only dealing with 30% of the scholarships that are out there. And with these opportunities, you can really take the time to find scholarships that match your profile, that match your personality, and match your purpose for going to school. All right. Number 2, you can better prepare. And by better preparing, you can create stronger applications. Rather than having the pressure of a deadline coming up, you can now take the time to prepare early and create better applications and really put yourself out there. I tell my students and families that when you're applying for scholarships, you're actually in the marketing business. You're in the business of marketing yourself to show organizations and show schools that you are worthy of investing in. Students should apply early because colleges and organizations are looking for worthwhile students to invest in. Now, number 3, when you wait till the last minute, it's going to increase your overwhelm, it's going to increase your stress, and increase your worry. If you start early, you can reduce the stress. You can reduce the worry. You can avoid that last minute panic by planning ahead to get ahead of the game and really put some time into locating that money. Now listen, if you don't have money for college, your number 1 job should be looking for money for college. Because if you don't do that, guess what? You're probably gonna be looking for money after college, after graduation, to pay back that big college tuition bill. Number 4, when you search early and you go after and put together a financial plan, you will have more financial clarity. So I said earlier that the 3-step framework is GM plus OM plus YM, government's money plus other people's money plus your money. Now, by starting early and you've tackled the GM and you've tackled the OM, then you can have some financial clarity if you have to use your money. You can get a sort of a glimpse of what you may have to come out of the pocket with if you start early and you now can put together a financial plan versus waiting to the last minute. And number 5, by applying early, it's going to give you the competitive edge. Just think about it, right? Like the scholarship that you may be looking to apply for, there may be hundreds or thousands of other people looking to apply for that same scholarship. But by you going after these scholarships early, you are now putting yourself and giving yourself a competitive edge to be one of the first individuals who have their applications and their essays in. And then now you can nurture those scholarship decision makers so they can say, I like this person. I love what they're about. And I have some cool things that I recommend to my families on what they can do to nurture the opportunities that they have. But you can't do that if you're waiting till the last minute. All right, so listen, I want you to start now. I want you to get involved, and I want to help you do that. right? Start early so you can better prepare. Start early so you can have the expanded opportunities. Start early so you can reduce the stress and have financial clarity and have the competitive edge. And there are 2 ways that I can help you do that. Number 1, I have this really cool book, one of my best-selling college funding books. Is called Scholarship Secrets Revealed. If you want a copy of this book, go over to scholarshipsecretsbook.com to get access to this book. And it's all about the roadmap to locate, land, and lock down college funds. You can go through this book, get results. Somebody the other day said, Kantis, I read your book. And as a result of reading your book, we have all of my daughter's first year in college paid for. And we're actually working through the 2nd year now, right? So you can go, do it yourself by grabbing this book. Or you can jump on with a few families and I over a 3-day experience where I'm going to work with you step by step through the GM, the OM, the YM, and put a plan together to show you how to go after the government's money, show you how to find scholarships, where to look, what apps to download, how to search, how to have conversations with the right decision makers, how to write your essays that are winning essays, how to take the time to land scholarships so that you stick out on your applications. If you would love to participate in this, hey, go over to KantisSimmons.com/unleashed. And listen, don't be so stingy. If you know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that could use this information, hey, be so kind to share this video with them. Be so kind to share this with other students and families that you know. Hey, if you want more cool stuff like this, hey, click that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments how I can better serve you and answer any questions that you may have. Hey, I'm Kantis Simmons, and remember this will be your best school year ever. I believe it. You should believe it too. Hey, talk to you soon.